We're out of windshield up here.
What?
Really? Are you really?
They cracked the windshield?
Yeah, keep going, Jeff.
You can't tell if he's serious or not.
Just keep
He's got
going.
that sense of humor. It's like maybe a cry. Oh,
no.
no.
There it is.
Oh, we just lost ours too.
There's something bigger.
I've never seen a circular cut like that.
That was a bullseye.
That was what?
Bullseye. Well, some flight tomorrow.
Oh, no. Direct hit.
Oh, gosh.
I want to put your sunglasses up or something.
Oh, man.
Holy shit.
Dude, what are you doing? Get out of there.
Fire truck headed down there.
Joe probably can't see.
I'm talking about the fire truck.
Oh.
No, obviously, we're trying to get the hell out of here.
Need one of those little car washes you can drive. God help me.
Wait, it didn't have the windshield, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
they're done. Both windshields are done.
They're right over there, right by your head. It's like literally a circle.
Oh, I don't know what's going on up
I'm
there.
just gonna let it
Oh.
pass over with a little bit of cover.
For what it's
A
worth.
little bit of cover.
Not sure we can get through anyway.
I think it's behind us. They're blocking the road from the hail, maybe?
That's
It's good timing.
well, I mean, you guys have had an impressive run. That's the first windshield I've lost on any trip I've been on.
Same.
There was a trip we were on one time. We made it the whole way, kept the windshield, no problem. We had hail and everything.
Oh.
There was a fly in the car,
Hurts everything.
Look at how big it is. Look
and the
at
driver
Golf
smacked
ball
the
size.
fly.
Yeah, those are bigger than a golf ball.
Some of them are even
Oh yeah, that's a golf ball for sure.
those are bigger than.
Look right there. Right there. Ooh, that one broke. Right there. That one is a golf ball.
Does anyone want tamarind candy?
I'll have a look.
Maybe after this.
Maybe for sure.
Wow,
It
look,
has a
there's
little.
another
It
golf
has a
ball.
little spice to it. Does anyone have
Man. Look at them just bouncing all over the road over there.
A couple blocks to our right, there's some like a school bus barn. It says maybe we could try going over there.
A school bus barn.
That's what it says.
Probably won't get to all. That's even
You
bigger.
want to call it in?
Yeah, there's some huge ones out there.
It looks like a couple blocks to the right of us. There's a school bus
Oh,
barn.
yeah, there's one
I don't
here
know
that's
if we could try that or
Not
not.
quite
but
baseball, but
it's the
pretty
best one.
close.
Oh, look at that.
It's gonna actually be over us pretty soon. So if we keep moving, we'll stay with it.
I want that one. Okay.
Once it stops, feel free to go out and grab some hailstones off the yard to measure.
Yeah, for sure it stopped.
I think it was worth it.
Who's got the hardest head?
I got a pretty hard one.
Yeah, Brad, I think you should go.
You might
I'll
want
say
to.
115.
You might want to wear this.
All right, cowboy.
We got a good view right over there.
Of what? Oh, of the hail?
Yeah.
That is me.
They've issued the tornado warning.
Yeah.
Oh, I've gotten 3 of them. They keep bumping it later.
Is that radar scope?
Yep. This is our most recent scan. See if my velocity will load.
That's so random. Like,
God, this is a funny.
Yeah.
I'm not letting Ron
we're
forget that.
getting everything on one storm here.
They're a little smaller.
They're melting so quick.
They do melt very quick.
That big one's not even
It was like 80 out before this.
melting at all.
It is. Oh, well.
You're welcome at your own risk to go out and start collecting. We're not out of the woods yet with the hail, but we
Brad,
got a
don't
couple
do
brave
it.
people here that are going to run out.
Yeah, go for it.
Go, go, go.
Get in now. I think there was a few bigger ones.
You gotta close that a lot harder.
The fuzzy dice are blocking it.
Alright, like that? Oh, shit,
Brad,
I don't
what
know
are
about this.
What are you doing?
I'm sure you never just sent him out to his garage.
It's like sheer
That's a good description.
Brad, I went for
Oh,
your
man.
Brad.
Oh, wow.
She was pretty.
You got the biggest one there, but it's already melted. I saw one fly by. And they're still coming down. Look, there's a twin. Same. Whoa, ding. They're littler ones.
Back home, pea-sized hailstorm. We get impressed by.
I want to see one that's. It would cut your head.
Oh, look, fancy one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that would hurt.
Yeah.
Is that like for getting
It's one of the ones that would put a nice cut on your head.
That was look like a little Christmas wreath.
Any other? Oh, there you go.
And they just extended the tornado warning again.
All right, I think I'm done with it.
Think that's enough?
You just cleaned it. You could just suck on that road. Take it down low.
We can pull, huh?
Did one bounce into you?
Yeah. Okay. I'd rather,
It's so weird because like the sun is out too, almost. Unfortunately, that's not a thing.
smaller than last down.
Ah!
Still not
It got
good
me,
enough,
like,
but
It's not shut all the way, but as long as we don't drive
we'll
over.
keep the ice out.
One of them came right through the back and the other
Now, see, it's gone down a lot in size.
Yeah, they're coming faster, but
Now it's like peanut M&M size.
Yeah.
You know what's weird? There's like no rain
Yeah, you're not gonna right.
It's, well,
because it's probably so
the
dry.
wind is throwing the hail.
Look at how many leaves it's taken out of these trees. It's tearing leaves out of it.
like this tree has lost a lot of leaves with this one.
There's the sun.
So, would that be called a hail ball?
Good question.
You got a hail ball over there somewhere?
Look at that.
There's the rainbow.
Might be able to get a rainbow here soon.
Yeah, it's right there.
Those windows.
It's right there, about 30 degrees.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh yeah, on our left.
Yeah, there's a hail ball.
It's basically rain now.
Basically the same with another
just
baseball
fancy.
size
We've
hail.
been through worse.
Yeah, did anyone in your van go outside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we had a whole crew.
Yeah, this one guy did.
He never returned.
Some say he's still out there getting ice.
Now he's known as Massive Headwood Harry.
Oh God, not that one.
That's terrible.